to the Mi for All channel. Today we're looking at the Mi Band 2, which is still among the most popular fitness trackers. And that is for a good reason. At a very affordable price you get surprisingly good features. When it comes to fitness trackers, competition is tough, really tough, and for a model to stay that popular for almost an year, there are plenty of good reasons. The design of the Mi Band 2 is clean and elegant, has a discrete OLED display which is monochromic and well visible indoors and in dark. Raising your hand in front of your face will of course trigger the display. Speaking of outlook and style, you can use your imagination and make the bracelet look the way you want. There is currently no other model with that many strap options. There's a huge variety of straps, both original and third-party, and changing them is as easy as you can see it here. Having performed many tests with it, I can confirm that the step counter is very precise and trustworthy, and if you're a sports fan that would like to maintain good shape, with the help of the Mi Fit app, you can achieve brilliant results. The Mi Band 2 is only IP67 certified, which is splash-proof. Although I've been swimming with it a few times without problems, it is not recommended to use it underwater. As a justification to this statement, it doesn't have swimming mode. Still, feature-wise, you may even be happier when comparing to much more expensive solutions like the Fitbit Alta. Throughout the last year, Xiaomi have made decent enhancements, from the general features of the app through the measurement accuracy, meaning that firmware and software are well maintained. You can switch the different modes via the only button, and navigation is very easy. The added value on top of the purely fitness options, you have some smart options. The Mi Band 2 conveniently forwards notifications. When someone calls you or texts you, you will know. There are no text details though. I mentioned the convenient application, and here it is, showing details of your recent activity and very helpful for creating fitness plans. And combining all these great options with battery life which lasts between 20 and 30 days, I'd say this tracker certainly will remain one of the best ever made. You can buy yours from gearbest.com at a special discounted price using the affiliate links below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.